Now, with cryptocurrency coming back down just a little bit today, sentiment seems to be slipping. Guys, do I think this is the end? No, absolutely not. I do believe that the Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rates at least twice this year. They keep saying that they're going to do it twice. Is it going to be this week? No, probably not. It's most likely looking like it's going to be at the September meeting. But we're pushing that off because, of course, Jerome Powell doesn't want to play by the rules, right? And we know that the president's making the rules right now, and he doesn't want to abide by them. Nonetheless, that's a completely different topic, completely different story. In this video, we're going to be talking about, yes, prices seem to be falling just a little bit. Sentiment seems to be slipping. And the narrative at the moment is negative. It says Shiba Inu coin's summer surge ends. Price dips as big holders exit. Now, I do believe that they will absolutely return. I believe that we're going to see the prices rise, and I believe that this is just a little bit of a dip related to that sentiment. So let's discuss it a little bit more. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, this article seems to be rather negative. I am going to put a positive spin on it, so hold on for that. But look, prices are down. Right? We're watching the overall market down about 0.5% today. Meme coins are getting hit the hardest. Meme coins are down 5% today on 10% decline in volume. And you can go on down the line. It is a very red day, red week, and even red hour for meme coins right now. And with that, I believe we've got an opportunity to buy, an opportunity to load up, and an opportunity right now with just 63 greed, okay? We haven't even entered an extremely greedy situation. We're 3 ticks into a greedy situation. Altcoins are sitting at a level of 40 out of 100 right now. Not bad, but certainly not altcoin season. All at a time, guys, when altcoin search volume, as anticipated by Google, is expected to soar to near all-time highs. We're sitting at a level of 12 in June. July is expected to come in at a level of 63. And beyond that, we could be ripping up to a new high. Guys, 63 takes us up to where we were in May of 2021. We could be on the brink of utter altcoin explosion. So because of that, I am buying altcoins. And one of them that I am buying is token 6900. You guys get a link for this down in the description below. These guys have sold almost $4 million so far, and I have bought in on 3 separate occasions. If you're interested, you're going to click that link. You're going to connect your wallet. Now, I like to connect via Best Wallet or Trust Wallet, so I scan that QR code with a wallet on my phone, type in how much I want, and those tokens are mine on launch day. You guys would do the same thing. A couple of the things that I like. Number one, it's a tiny token, right? It's going to have a $5 million hard cap. That is it. It is a meme coin. These guys are claiming no utility. They're claiming no ecosystem, whatever. They're claiming to simply be a meme. And they're taking advantage of SPX 6900. And if I can find it here on the first page, SPX 6900 is sitting at $2.08, guys. It's exploded 79 million% since it was introduced. This is one of the millionaire makers. SPX 6900. Token 6900. If this does anything remotely similar to what SPX did, we're going to see massive gains. Therefore, I am simply giving myself a chance. It is high risk, absolutely. With higher risk usually comes higher reward. And during a bull market, we're not in one right now, okay? We're just 1 tick into the green, or greed. Level of 40 on the alt season. It hasn't begun yet. And search volume is simply anticipated to go higher. When all of this stuff begins to explode, I am going to be in. All you got to ask yourself is whether or not you're going to be in. So with that, I do continue buying and holding Shiba Inu coin as well. So I'm just going to talk about some of the key points of this article. It says Shiba Inu coin's recent price decline signals a bearish trend driven by large investors exiting their positions and realizing profits. Whale sell-offs have caused a 451% dip in net flow, signaling reduced market confidence and increased downward pressure. Derivatives market sentiment reflects the bearish outlook with a 35% drop in Shiba Inu coin's open interest, suggesting waning trader enthusiasm. You can earn daily profits with Lunacy, sure. So let's talk about the decline in open interest, and let's talk about this decline in whale net inflows. I believe that these traders follow the signals. And right now, the signals are not pointing towards excessive risk taking. Sitting at a level of 63 greed, okay, we're nowhere into an altcoin season or meme coin season. 40 out of 100. We're close to an altcoin season beginning, but nowhere near enough risk taking for meme coins to explode. Therefore, the rest of the market may be cautious, but I continue to be aggressive. I do believe that as this number ticks up, the price of Shiba Inu coin is going to tick up. As the people get more and more greedy, they're going to buy riskier and riskier assets. Now, why? Do I just have some sort of a fantasy about that? No, absolutely not. That is exactly what they have done in all of the past cycles. The rotation is from Bitcoin, one of the safer assets, into altcoins, a little bit riskier, and finally meme coins when altcoins become saturated. The higher the risk, the higher the greed, the higher the risk people are willing to take. Altcoin season indicators, fear and greed indicators, they are all pointing to the fact that this is just the beginning. So, I am buying, I am loading up, and I am preparing. Do I have to deal with the turbulence along the way? Absolutely. But I will not be jumping in at all-time highs. I will not be jumping in. I will be jumping out. I will be taking profit, buying lower, and selling higher. That is the name of the game, and that is what I hope all of you guys are doing. So if you're looking for a place to buy cryptocurrency, you got a link for the KSEX exchange down in the description below. You guys can trade cryptocurrency on up to 125x leverage, meme coins on up to 75x leverage, with some of the cheapest fees in the entire industry. Meme coin futures fees are actually 0%. So if you guys are interested in trading memes, could be one of the best platforms for you to do that. Let me know what you guys are doing with it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.